Hey guys, I'm LT Snake Plissken. I'm here promoting Elk Season 2, The Network Effect. Now, I'm not sure if you were here for Elk Season 1, but if you were, you would have saw lots of prizes awarded in Elk, some cool competitions, and a lot of fun to be had. So if you want to learn more about Elk Season 2, stay tuned. But before I get into it, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Okay, Elk Season 2. It's called The Network Effect. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's kind of there to celebrate Elk's cross-chain compatibility. We can send Elk across all of our 6 chains. You know, AVAX, Polygon, Fantom, XDAI, BSC, HECO, right? We can move things across. And so we want to focus some challenges and competitions and talk about this and really get the word out. And we want you to win some cool prizes along the way. Now, there is 5,000 elk up for grabs through this whole elk season. 5,000 elk, which is pretty cool. So there's 500 awarded each week for 4 weeks, and then on the 5th week, we've got 1,000, right? So there are lots of chances to win and lots of cool stuff. We don't just have elk to give away. We've got some really cool character NFTs. A bunch of our avatars that, you know, may or may not in the future come with some special abilities, which is going to be awesome. Now, to kick this off, we've got a registration form that you can sign up for to get involved with elk season, and so we have all your information so we can kind of track these points. This leaderboard gets updated every day. It's the one here on my screen, and you can go and check your name. If you don't see it right after you fill the form, well, you probably won't because it's only updated once a day. Keep that in mind. Now, head on over to the link in the description to sign up for elk season. I've also got a link to the Medium with all of the details that I'm talking about, plus a little bit more. The first competition here is a Trader Joe Elk Art Competition. Now, this can be anything you want, right? Some sort of drawing or video or a play that you want to film yourself doing. Could be anything creative that has, you know, Trader Joe and elk in it. Now, we want to kind of see what people have got to offer. So there's some huge points up for grabs. And those points go on the leaderboard and are updated daily. And see if you can go and get in the lead, which would be amazing, right? So don't worry if you're joining late. Each separate competition has some winners. And points will be distributed. So you can catch up pretty easy. We also have flash challenges. And the first flash challenge lasts actually through the whole of elk season. And that's joining our Discord. It's also in the description in the links below. You just got to join our Discord. The more you participate, when you join, you become a baby elk. And if you participate a little bit more and a lot more and keep commenting, you can make your way up to elder elk. And if you're able to do that, you're going to score a bunch of points. And you can check the rules pinned in our Discord and follow our Telegram announcement channel as well. That's in the description. But you're going to need a Discord channel, a Discord account to participate. Yeah, so lots of cool prizes, and I can't tell you about the other challenges because they're just top secret because I don't want to give anyone an unfair advantage. So head to the links below in the description and sign up for elk season, and maybe you can chat a little bit with Ralph in our Discord. All right, if this was entertaining enough for you and was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you during elk season 2. All right.